Keshavadhrita Narahari Rupa. Keshav, Krishna, assume the form. Narahari. Nara means man and Hari means a lion. Narahari Rupa. Jai Jagadisha Hari. All glories to Nṛsiṁhadev. Sometimes the question arises, like, why do we worship Nṛsiṁhadev? None of the other incarnations of the Lord are worshipped. Vamandev is not worshipped, Kurmadev is not worshipped, regularly, generally. And we ISKCON devotees actually are worshippers of Kṛṣṇa. We don't even worship Narayan, Lakshmi Narayan. We worship Kṛṣṇa. But in every ISKCON temple, Nṛsiṁhadev is worshipped. Why is that? Isn't that a mystery? The reason is that Lord Nṛsiṁhadev is Bhakti, vighna, vināśan. He destroys the impediments from the path of Bhakti. Bhakti, vighna. Vighna means impediments. Impediments in the course of Bhakti. Vināśan, a destroyer. He destroys all the impediments. So we want to make progress in spiritual life. Therefore we take shelter of Nṛsiṁhadev. Please remove all the impediments from the path of our devotional progress. And Nṛsiṁhadev does take care. He is really Bhaktavatsal, really the protector of his devotees. And we saw how wonderfully he protected Prahlad Maharaj.